This was a beautiful, beautiful Thanksgiving day. Oh my gosh. Got to spend it with moms and my aunt and one of my uncles and saw some of my cousins. This was a great day. Great day today. Y'all see me and mom and auntie in the background, and y'all see where I get my smile from too. Hey, mommy. Sorry, it ain't no sound this time, but I did make a few other videos that I downloaded from my phone that has sound. So I gotta get me a mini mic so that way I can put it on my YouTube. So as of now, I just have to do the voiceover thing. But that's okay. You know, y'all have heard me do the voiceover many, many times before. So, but yeah, y'all see me and mom. I'm sitting here showing her how the drone thing go. And she's loving it. Loving it. Yes, sir. Oh man, so we took a little flight earlier, which y'all gonna see in a bit. But then we had to come back for the simple fact it was a lot of obstruction that was in the way. So, I started to, well, I didn't want to lose signal because I still had like all of my bars, but I know what happens when it gets too far and it doesn't have like a true um, line of sight from the controller to the drone. And I was behind trees and buildings and stuff like that. So I definitely didn't want to go that far. So, but yeah, this is beautiful St. Pete. Me and mom cruising around the community a little bit, and then I'm bringing the drone back. And then y'all gonna see Autel Evo Lite Plus Baby Land with precision. Yes, sir. Right on the pad. Y'all gonna see that later on in the video. Don't be hating. It's not a DJI drone, which is top of the line, but Autel drones are second to none. We come in second place, baby. Yes, sir. That's exactly why I got it. So, but y'all gonna see later on in the video. Just wait. Y'all gonna see it. Watch. Now y'all watch this landing. Watch this landing. That's why I love this drone, man. Like no matter where I go, as long as I got my pad, especially if I wind up walking away, it is so reassuring to know that no matter where I'm at, as long as I go 20 feet up, let it hover for a minute, it's gonna remember where we took her from and land directly on the pad 9 times out of 10. As long as I do that 20 feet rule before I do anything else. So, but y'all watch this. Mom was shocked. She was like, oh my God, it did land perfectly on the pad. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Perfectly on the pad. Perfect. It looked like it's not perfect, but watch this. Oh, y'all. Look at that right there. I told y'all, man. I told y'all. Man. Now we just messing around. Now my aunt talking to me, asking questions, and I'm answering it, and stuff like that. I like to see people that get excited about something new, because many people don't even know that we out here flying drones, and some people that do know, they kind of freak out a little bit. But I'm glad my mom and my aunt are not one of the ones that freak out when they see a drone. So, because it really is fun to watch and fun to have something as a little mini hobby, so it was definitely fun to, teach my aunt and mom and, give them information about how drones operate and how fun they can be. So happy Thanksgiving, y'all. And y'all have a beautiful, blessed rest of y'all day whenever y'all see this. Okay? All right. And I'm my baby.